I'm in the mood to make I want to eat something savory and gluten-free. I was thinking of muffins, and then I thought instead of making muffins, I might just make like a sheet pan thing. Basically, I want to make something that I can put in the freezer and, take out a piece or reserve when I want. So I used the leftover spinach. There was about half a bag. Baby corn. Is it baby corn? It's not baby corn. It's just normal corn kernels. Super juicy corn kernels. So fresh capsicum. I already blanched and squeezed all the water out of the spinach. So I found some of this in the fridge. I don't know when Cub opened it, but I think I will add some of this because it fits the profile of what I want to make. I do not know how much I'm going to use. It says that this is a packet of 120 grams. Maybe I will use about 40 grams. Hi, Surya. Hi. Surya, hi. Are you seeing what I'm making? Sit, please. Sit, please. That's not a sit. That is absolutely not a sit. Say hi. How are you? So, I'm going to put about 40 grams. So, Cub thinks that I'm not taking this video thing seriously enough and that I say a lot of random things, and he's like, can you please not? Don't give any life lessons, Amma. That's what he specifically told me. No life lessons. So, cream cheese, 41.4 grams. And then I am going to mix in 2 eggs. I shall grind in some pepper. Lots of pepper because I love pepper. Half a cup of flour. Maybe I will stop there first. And I will mix this up. What am I missing? I'm missing some liquid. But there's liquid in the spinach, and there's liquid in the corn, and there's liquid in the capsicum. Okay, so I forgot to press record earlier, as you do. So basically I added half a cup of lactose-free milk, and the batter is looking a bit wet, so I think I might actually add 1/4 cup of corn flour and then mix and see how it looks. If it's thickening up a little bit. Yep, looks good. So what haven't I added? I didn't add any oil, I didn't add any butter, but I did add cream cheese, and I feel like that might be enough. What do you think? Should I sit? I'm asking you important questions. Sit. Should I add some oil? Or should I add some butter? Or should I give you the whole tub to just eat by yourself? What are your thoughts on this matter? What do you think? Oh, good job, thank you. Oil, butter, or skip it? Oil, butter, or skip it? Pengsan? Sudah pengsan? Pengsan? Good job, baby, good job. Okay, I'll give you something, wait. That was very good. Hold on. So, I think it has come together quite nice. So I might not add any extra oil or butter to it, and maybe it won't be like a muffin. It might just be like a savory pancake thing. We'll try and we'll see. So to just run down or to just remember what I added half a bag of spinach. So let's say about 180 grams of spinach. I added 1 side of a capsicum. I added a handful of corn. Look at this recipe. I added 2 eggs. I added 1 cup of gluten-free flour. I added a 1/4 cup of almond flour and 1/2 cup of lactose-free milk. Oh, I should probably add some salt. Add a pinch of salt. Oh, and I added a lot of black pepper. And I'm going to pour this into a lined baking tray. So I'm going to flatten this out, and then I'm going to top it with some pumpkin seeds, which I like. My child doesn't really. He's not a fan of crunchy things losing their crunch. But life is like that, no? Crunchy things losing crunch. Okay. Oh no, I'm very sure that counts as a life lesson, and I was not supposed to say any such thing. No life lessons. So I'm going to pop this in the oven, and I will see you later, and we shall see how it turned out. It smells really nice. I'll leave it to cool, and then I will cut it. I think you're supposed to let it wait, let it cool down. See the steam coming off of the tray. Hi Surya! But I'm hungry and I want to know how this turned out. Cheese crust. It's pretty thin. You can see it's thin, but it smells nice. It's nice and steaming hot, and I'm gonna have it with butter and some teh-o, and then I will either keep this out and have it over the next couple of days, or I might maybe freeze 2 pieces. We'll see. Or if Hungry Monster is out, I would guess I will eat everything over the next day or so. But it's healthy, right? It's pretty much a salad. Okay, bye.